Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to transfer crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to keep your investments safe from online threats. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips like this. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have your Coinbase account set up and your Ledger Nano X device ready. You'll need to have the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone, as it's essential for managing your hardware wallet. Okay, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to the asset you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select the Send option. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts section and select the wallet address where you want to receive the crypto. Make sure to double-check the address, it's a long string, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Ledger wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on Coinbase. You'll get a confirmation prompt, go ahead and approve it. On your Ledger device, it will ask for your PIN and might require you to verify the transaction on the screen. Once you do that, the transfer is initiated. Step 5. Wait for the network to confirm the transaction. This can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see your assets safely transferred. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams or lost funds. There you have it. That's how you securely transfer your crypto in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.